They ventured deeper into the Emerald Labyrinth, each step unveiling nature's hidden wonders. Their mission: uncover the secrets of the Amazon rainforest, a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. But what mysteries lie within this dense foliage? What adventures await them in this, the largest tropical rainforest on Earth? Are there any natural treasures that have remained hidden for centuries until now? And what impact does this ancient ecosystem have on our world today? As they journeyed further, they realized that the Amazon is much more than just trees. It is a complex web of life, home to countless species of plants and animals. Some were familiar, some not so much. They saw colorful parrots squawking in the treetops, monkeys swinging from branch to branch, and even a sloth hanging upside down. But as they continued their exploration, they came across creatures that were truly unique and fascinating. Imagine standing face to face with a majestic jaguar, its sleek coat shimmering in the dappled sunlight as it stalks its prey with unmatched grace and precision. Or encountering a troop of mischievous capuchin monkeys, their playful antics echoing through the ancient trees. Picture this: a macaw, its brilliant plumage, a kaleidoscope of colors against the lush green backdrop, screeches loudly as it swoops overhead, disappearing into the dense foliage. Each encounter left them in awe of the raw beauty and untamed spirit of the rainforest. But their journey was not without challenges. Thorny vines, slippery rocks, and biting insects tested their resilience. Yet, they pressed on, driven by an insatiable curiosity and a desire to understand the intricate workings of this natural wonderland. As they navigated through this green maze, they stumbled upon breathtaking towering trees created a cathedral-like atmosphere, filtering the sunlight into mesmerizing beams that illuminated the forest floor in a mosaic of light and shadow. The air was thick with the sound of buzzing insects, chirping birds, and the distant roar of a waterfall. It was a symphony of nature's orchestra, conducted by the heartbeat of the ancient trees. They found towering kapok trees, their massive trunks adorned with buttress roots that seemed to reach out to the heavens, anchoring them firmly to the earth. Lianas twined around the trees, forming natural bridges between the forest floor and the canopy above. The team marveled at the ingenuity of nature, witnessing firsthand the delicate balance and intricate connections that sustained this vibrant ecosystem. But it wasn't just about the flora. The fauna of the Amazon astounded them with its sheer diversity. They spotted a troop of spider monkeys leaping effortlessly through the trees, their long limbs carrying them like acrobats on high wires. A family of three-toed sloths hung serenely from a branch, their slow movements belying the agility required to navigate the forest canopy. Even the smallest creatures captured their attention, like the iridescent blue morpha butterfly fluttering past, or a leafcutter ant marching in a long line with its fellow colony members. As their expedition deepened, they realized that the Amazon is not merely a place of beauty, but a vital force that sustains our planet. This vast expanse of green acts as Earth's lungs, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, making it crucial for the survival of all living beings. It regulates our climate, influences weather patterns, and serves as a home to countless species, including many yet to be discovered. They uncovered the secrets of the mighty kapok tree, the tallest tree in the Amazon, reaching heights of over 200 feet. Its seeds are dispersed by monkeys who feast on its nutritious fruits and jaguars that rely on the tree for shade while hunting. They witnessed the incredible adaptations of the bullet tree, whose leaves are shaped like bullets to protect it from being eaten by animals. They learned about the medicinal properties of various plants, from the pain-killing properties of the Sangre de Drago to the anti-inflammatory compounds found in the acai berry. But their journey took a somber turn when they encountered the remnants of illegal logging and mining operations. They saw areas of the forest that had been stripped bare, the trees cut down and left to rot, the soil eroded and lifeless. It was a stark reminder of the threats facing the Amazon and the urgent need for conservation efforts. Undeterred, they pressed on, venturing into uncharted territories. They used GPS devices to map new sections of the rainforest, recording the location of rare plant species and animal habitats. Their findings would contribute to the growing body of knowledge about the Amazon, helping scientists better understand and protect this fragile ecosystem. Their expedition led them deep into the heart of the rainforest, where they discovered a hidden gem. A pristine waterfall tucked away in a secluded part of the jungle. The cascading water created a mesmerizing spectacle, a soothing melody that echoed through the ancient trees. It was a moment of pure bliss. A reward for their hard work and a testament to the untouched beauty that still existed in this part of the world. As their adventure continued, they faced unexpected challenges. They waded through knee-deep water, their cameras and equipment protected in waterproof bags. They trekked over fallen logs, their determination unwavering as they sought to uncover the mysteries that lay ahead. They even braved sudden downpours, seeking shelter under the giant rainforest trees, watching in awe as the water poured from the canopy above. One day, their exploration led them to a clearing where they discovered a group of indigenous people tending to their crops. The team took this opportunity to learn about the sustainable practices of the native communities. Their deep connection to the land and their traditional knowledge of the rainforest, they exchanged stories and customs, forging a bond that transcended cultural boundaries. As their expedition drew to a close, they stood at a vantage point overlooking the vast expanse of the rainforest. The feeling was overwhelming. A profound sense of connection to the ancient rhythms of the jungle. They had come full circle, their journey mirroring the cyclical nature of life, growth, renewal, and interdependence that thrived within this magnificent ecosystem. During their expedition, they encountered a wise elder from the local community who shared ancient legends and folklore about the rainforest. The stories were filled with mystical creatures and spirits said to inhabit the depths of the jungle, weaving tales that blurred the line between reality and myth. These captivating narratives added a layer of magic to their adventure, leaving them with a sense of wonder and a deeper appreciation for the cultural significance of the rainforest. But as they journeyed deeper into the Amazon, they began to notice changes in the landscape. Some areas had been cleared for farming or logging. They witnessed firsthand the impact of human activities on the delicate balance of the ecosystem and the urgent need for conservation efforts. They joined forces with local organizations working to protect the rainforest. They participated in tree planting initiatives, helping to restore degraded areas and reintegrate them back into the ecosystem. Their hands-on experience provided a tangible connection to the cause, reminding them of the power of collective action. As their expedition culminated, they gathered with the local community for a traditional ceremony. They were welcomed with open arms, sharing laughter, music, and dance under the canopy of the stars. It was a celebration of their shared experience. The team found themselves swept up in the infectious energy, joining the vibrant celebration with newfound friends. In the heart of the Amazon, they had become more than just explorers. They had become ambassadors for the rainforest, carrying its secrets, its beauty, and its stories back to the world. Their expedition was a resounding success, a testament to their courage. Their words painting vivid pictures of the Amazon's wonders and its fragility. Their passion was contagious, sparking interest and inspiring action among those they met. Driven by their newfound purpose, they partnered with environmental organizations, lending their voices to campaigns that promote sustainable practices and raise awareness about the importance of the rainforest. They used their platforms to amplify the message, supporting initiatives that empower local communities to protect their forests and wildlife. They also invested in research projects that further our understanding of the rainforest's complex ecosystems, contributing to the development of effective conservation strategies. Through their tireless efforts, they played a part in changing attitudes and behaviors. They inspired a new generation of eco-conscious individuals who are passionate about protecting the environment, enriched by the contributions of those who dared to venture into its heart and emerged not just as explorers, but as its champions.